Hello everyone. Welcome to Mr. English Daily Fun. Today we will learn simple English naturally. Not fast, not difficult, just simple and clear. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, smile gently. Are you ready? Let's begin. Part 1. Learn naturally. How do children learn language? They listen first. They listen every day. They listen again and again. You can learn English the same way. Listen often. Repeat slowly. Do not worry about mistakes. Learning naturally takes time, but it works. Part 2. Just listen. Now, only listen. I wake up in the morning. I open the window. The air is fresh. I feel happy. Listen again. I wake up in the morning. I feel happy. Not repeat yet, just listen carefully. Part 3. Listen and repeat. Now repeat after me. I wake up in the morning. Pause. I open the window. Pause. The air is fresh. Pause. I feel happy. Pause. Very good. Speak slowly, clear voice. Part 4. Understand the meaning. Now answer. When do I wake up? Pause. In the morning. How do I feel? Pause. Happy. Good. Listening is understanding. Always think about meaning. Part 5. Natural daily conversation. Listen carefully. What are you doing? B. I am cooking dinner. I. What are you cooking? B. I am cooking rice and chicken. Now repeat. I am cooking dinner. Pause. I am cooking rice and chicken. Pause. Excellent. This is natural English, simple, clear. Fat. Part 6. Daily life practice. Listen. I go to work at 8 a.m. I work in an office. I have lunch at noon. I go home at 5 p.m. I watch television in the evening. Now answer. Where do I work? Pause. In an office. What do I do in the evening? Pause. Watch television. Very good. Part 7. Vocabulary for daily use. Clean, busy, quiet, hungry. Ready, listen to examples. My room is clean. I am busy today. The street is quiet. I am hungry now. I am ready to go. Now repeat. My room is clean. Pause. I am ready to go. Pause. Good job. Far. Part 8. Short listening story. Listen to this story. Sarah wants to speak English naturally. She listens to slow English every day. She listens while walking. She listens before sleeping. She repeats simple sentences. After 2 months, she feels more confident. Why does Sarah improve? Because she listens daily. Natural practice works. Now it is your turn. Answer these questions aloud. What do you do in the morning? Pause. What do you eat for lunch? Pause. What do you do in the evening? Pause. Speak slowly. Do not rush. You are building natural speaking skills. Part 10. Shadowing practice. Now we practice shadowing. Listen and speak at the same time. I am learning English every day. Pause. I practice slowly and clearly. Pause. I am improving step by step. Pause. Shadowing helps pronunciation. It helps rhythm. It helps confidence. Daily practice plan. Here is your natural learning plan. Listen once, listen again and repeat. Answer simple questions. Speak for 1 minute about your day. Practice every day. Only 10 to 20 minutes. Small steps, big results. Final motivation. Learning English naturally is simple. Listen often, repeat daily, be patient. You are improving, even if you do not see it yet. Trust the process. Outro. Calm voice. You did a wonderful job today. Keep listening, keep practicing, keep growing. Thank you for listening to Mr. English Daily Fun. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.